what make Queenie, my dear? Being my who know what RT boss to quiet up. Like, you know what? You know, go on over Amari. Go and tell Amari I love her, yeah? Just right from there and say, Amari Queenie says she love you. He's a Judas Amari. Hmm? Them I tell me I go over there go listen to. Wait, them I go over there go listen. Me I call RT later. And I go and go listen to go listen to Shadra catapult. Wait something here, slingshot. And I go and over there go listen if she sling. RT, big up yourself, man. You know, say, let me tell you something. All over that chat say RT wicked and him this. I'm not afraid of RT. I have no fear against RT. Remember, I have good spirit, you know. I don't leave me at RT alone. They see me for bought my tour with RT. I have for bought my tour me on the morning and we passing. Rock a pages, me tell you, Queenie. But you never listen to me. Cause that's the Queenie. Me have to work off of my spirit. My spirit me work off. I see some work off of my spirit. You don't have to just appreciate me for who me is. You understand me? RT, they in Jamaica, it make a lot of sense to me. Just being a person with him craziness, him excitement, and him love me off. Him just love me off. And I like that. Him take care of me. Him not look me here. What him say? Him say, me not come across him and try to seduce him or not like that. Just natural, nice friendship. Because he's a very resistant person. And RT respect me for the person me is. He not throw himself on me. Me not throw myself on him. We just have a little down to advice there. So I appreciate the ring when him give me. But Trim say Queenie know from morning. And I say no from morning because when him show me see me, I say bubble cloud that nice. So when I say that now, me I go, that's just me. Me I go back it up back to the way it goes step to step. So I don't know when Vex and get feeling gone Amari for, but him soon come back to me. Don't mind blood clot. Why I have it for me? Maria fight for me, Archie fight for me. Bumbo cry. Me trying to fight over her. She's jealous of you. Beware of her. She can't do me nothing. She can't me, you know, my power is natural. You understand? I just have natural. Me just a natural person. When I went on stage, and I put them in there and she sit down and she up on her lap and she go like she not see me. I just sit down and call me. Now I go call to her now. Because she not do me like popcorn. You understand me? So I sit down. So I see she come now and throw herself and I just throw back myself. I throw self, I throw blood clot self. But you see, RT have a art and that's my love that with him. I love share. So through America, all of my customers say, oh, you give Queenie all of the money because America customer on the stage say, oh, RT buy my clothes and plane ticket for come and sing. And I say, no, Amari, I'm a owner, all brought them a wear girl. She said, why would you wear all brought? That time she have cheap Charlie and all them blood clot liberty. I said, because they're designer. This outfit that my van costs 800 pounds. She said, you know, blood clot 800 pounds. My finger fearing. The government can't do me nothing. I don't pay my penalty for all I want me doing. Why do you think I'm so bold and beautiful? I not do blood clot. Nobody can give me no drugs in Alaska. Me all Amari say I carry drugs. I say, you the woman, yeah? Then they saw me cantangerous in my own blood clot space. Why you think I cantangerous, sir? Everything I do legit. I not do no blood clot hanky panky, so I can't put no handcuff on me. Move on no dirty blood clot. You can't stifle my progress. I walk blood clot hard. I'm a grow and reach far in a life. I'm proud of myself. RT, come talk to me. RT, I love you. Come here. RT, come here. I love RT for true. Big up Miss Bling. I love RT like oh, Miss Bling. Big up Miss Bling. Big up your damn self. Miss Bling said, Queenie, for you come from my life with your RT, I can't read no news about you. We are woman. I have to respect that. All when she did that drag me and mark me or whatever I see, it come around because life have some crazy way of things to work out. Look how RT did over there, marketeer how much in blood clot time. I know I meet him in a real life. In spirit of me, good energy. RT in the year. RT, can you come? Let me add him back. No, man, him carry me out. I'm a dance. I want to watch about the video. Them I feel good. I remember telling you one next thing, man, I feel good. I have a couple of dad's friends, you know. And my friend called me and said, Queenie, I love our RT. I take care of you because you're single and the whole of we must chip in ever so often. So it's when RT done with you at my time, and when me done with you, and when next one of your brethren come, I want you to stay single and clear your head. And just things like that, I appreciate. Team Queenie, thank you. Just things like that, I appreciate because mother there Jamaica clog up a door, me the ups and down or whatever, I lie down in my bed. Nah gonna wear. So the little exposure, so one and wash shadow, so one and I say my look clothes. RT play up crazy money, you know. So if him have so much money and pay to get clothes, it's alright. At least him share. At least he make people can have money in them pockets. I mean just me. Everybody's RT carry 20 people at night time, everybody get pay and get look after. And that is golden. I mean one night. And then some money are the root of all evil, but then money make the mirror run. If you don't have money, you cannot do certain things in it. So me appreciate him because him could have want me follow behind him. And when me done tomorrow morning, me can't go downtown go buy one carpet, and if them two my fucking Jeep, me can't pay for it. So one and wash the other. So when you not bash him and I say him a look clout, me have to appreciate him because a lot of no even give me two aki. Because me a Queenie and me have it all. Me no need to wash my pussy with carbolic soap. Me no need cake soap for wash my white shirt. So if RT as a person where I make him look money and come and see my value as a woman and say, you know, this woman deserves some appear. Me have to appreciate him. Enough of blood clot to use me. On a party for ads. So if RT come and take up that little milestone there, me have to appreciate him. Me not busy with him over where him want do. I don't busy with him and Grace because me don't tell him say Grace is my girl and I love Spice. And regardless, we must about Spice, a lot of we don't like it. We still cannot stop him to say what he wanted to say. So me I'm gonna tell him say RT, me feel uncomfortable. You hear him say it alright, that's why I love RT because you see RT is very negotiative. Him come like myself. Not because him have the money and him cock at it, him not forcing or nothing. Lord make him chase blood clot cloud. Me I look clout off for RT because him wake up at my dirty nasty blood clot and where? A clout chaser for clout chaser. Because right now, if RT never spin up him dirty blood, I want my next one. I'm telling him, I promise, so I'm not going to show no RT money, but I'm not ready yet. Keep that for bonus. Back to the reason now. If you that take me at night time and carry me, I use out my old self and I'm tired out and tomorrow morning I go in and I can't buy one plane ticket. But the whole of our blood clot wicked. Leave the man I'm wicked, just make him rich from them. Moving the wicked blood clot, the whole of our wicked. Leave him. No fun on nowhere when the blood clot wicked would even give me a piece of ton car meal for them. Go and left the man. Yeah, the man stand by me. Eh? Him stand by me and I like that. I'm like, oh, somebody with the outside as a man where in them league can reach out to me and say, Queenie, I love how RT pick up your pieces and I take care of you. Because I truth. But do a lot of great things in a life, and when I reach a point where I get single and separated and go through that milestone there to the rough patch, nobody know what I go through but me, you know. So him so start cuss, but them not cuss him back. I cuss because moving the blood clot and leave me and RT alone. My love with RT not hold grudge. Because him cuss me and say something and I say it back, him just cuss and just come back. And me tell you now what my love right crazy is. I can play around and I not have no strings attached like all. I see the boy them now, I just tell them so them cocky hot and clean and I'm more raw now. Because I'm single. So everything is for a moment and time. I get an experience and it was good and it's got the bad time, but I get over it. It's a life, innit? You understand? Bring Amari to sing. You remember saying to bring Amari to sing? I would have something that was past tense, darling. I remember everything. You know, you remind them all the while. The whole of we in some deep dark blood closet where we can't even mention. What at least I don't know where RT is. I don't know where me is, but I don't know where no is. Leave the man single. Me not ready for mingle. No, me no want mingle. My spirit can't take no man. You know much man want to fuck me down at this blood clot. All one tell me today about him did I go take it. More know which boy can take my blood clot pussy. Now yeah, me tell them say me have the key to my kiss kitty. Me have the key to my KEY truth. So I'm in love what RT say. RT say, yeah man, single and a running on a man. Him respect me for that and I like that. RT could I feel like that to him and give me him money. Him can whisper in my ears and try. Him not depend that him just love me as a person. I read that because if RT did not look pussy for me or even no talking. Yeah, that's the part. If him believer wouldn't feel comfortable around him. You understand? As some me say, if I'm know so a man don't look my brethren, you have to respect me for who me is. Me is not a fucker box and I will never be a blood clot fucker box. Me always be the blood clot man for who me is. Of course, RT married. RT have him nice, good looking wife. Yeah. RT is just funny, you know, he's just a funny character. Yeah. And him like fun. Yeah, man, I'm a love him take care of people. Them. I telling the riot crazies. When me think of me alone and true me special, you fuck everybody artist sit with that. If him forgot tonight, tomorrow man make sure say, listen, me am say to a man when I youth say, you get a bonus? And the youth say, yeah, me get bonus last night. And I said, Bumble Cloud, I take everybody bonus. Yeah, man. Him nice, man. Him natural. So when I say I look clout, it's nothing to do with clout. It's to do that RT know that I am a valuable person. He's doing music. And I can help him to create contents. That's just fucking it. So what wrong about that? Me ask you something now. Everybody for just sit down and dump me. Nobody enough come sick around run a guy and left me. What the fuck you know want me for do? I make funds most of my music them and promote my song them. Most of them. Big up on the construction. And all who me do look music them. But I'm just saying, yeah, money talks. And in some value I'm a word. I'm a done say, listen, me not make nobody clone me out and me not go away. Content equal clout, hello. Whatever, darling. Una look clout, you know where I type. The whole way I look clout. It's in the game of social media. To keep consistent. So, if you're boring and dead out, oh, you don't know, so Queenie pop down because RT boss not appear in the mind. And you can't please people. I'm going to tell you, say, pick up RT boss. The way RT used to trouble me and mock me and over there, take the piss out of blood clot, make sure you the same mouth we said no, come back, come say yes. Because RT did love me from long time for me being Queenie. You understand me? Now him get to know me. Him to the beautiful soulmates. And as him said, I bring him over something to me. I clean at the pan that. I don't have no time for the foolishness, man. I talk about progressiveness. So I know the last year, I do this year. I don't want a broke pocket blood clot friend, man. Yeah, go man, problem with money. Too much problem without money. You understand? So make the blood clot problem come and I have the asset them and I make something out of it. You understand? None of my glass, I eat a glass. Yes, but because RT is to trouble me, but RT is to trouble me because him like me. A long time RT like me. I'm a piece of RT would have fuck me if him get the chance to fuck me. Don't mind blood clot RT, but I like how him respect the fact that him not put on himself for me and him not try pass him place. And that's what I tell enough man. You see, if you want to reach a long way with me, don't look no blood clot fuck off for me. Because if a man no can come with them can't fuck me. Someone say the next blood clot fool, the clown, the wise processor, or whosoever go fuck me, I go get me. Me not easily blood clot get. So watch the right. So anybody get me any workout or so it go darling. Me can't sit down and live on blood clot spill me. My ball, my shame, my ball to go and then me come back. You wanted to engage me? That's just solid. Leave RT alone, Music Martin. Move your blood clot and leave my friend Music. You go foreign and come back, you know, come look for me. Yeah, don't make me take on my problem by you yourself, Music Martin. Leave me alone, because you are the next one, Tracy Marks. I don't want to cuss him, because my next are easy for shame. Don't mind your mic. You drop me like a hot blood clot, bomb. You're not even call and say, Queen, where you there? May I bring two texts party for me. Watch Glenn. Glenn, what happened? It's truth. Way over here attack about RT. Leave my friend alone. Me I used to up and down at Jamaica. Every time I come at Jamaica, you make people making happy. I'm in a blood clot, man. Go, Mike. Oh, my God. Yeah. No, but it's true. Don't at Jamaica, boy, and you up in a event house now, gonna with Rvss clot and RT carry out. And it was so nice. All married them bunch of killer. I was glad to see the one that married them bunty.
You see this? Yeah, something else. I had an on stage interview with us that I watched Queenie up on the floor. Me reach. No, sir.
The interview, I don't watch it yet, you know, I go watch it.
Me say, you and Amari, I think something else.
No, Mike always bring my teeth with Passy and Glenn always care me, but Queenie, let me care for dinner, and then he used to give me $5 grand. Archie, Glenn mind me too, you know. I remember
Of course,
telling
no mind,
you. I love with them. You have some people, when you go around them, you feel burdened. You see if I go around you, I feel burdened. I avoid you, you know. It's surprised to me text it for you, I'm comfortable with you. Like Glenn and Mike, when my dad Jamaica, them take care of me.
Oh,
No,
I true, man. We
that's
take care
true,
of the people,
Glenn.
too. I true, man. I
Glenn,
true,
I
for
when
real.
they call me up on Ligane and give me the $5 grand the time and say, Queenie, may I go back to work, but buy so
I'm on
much.
a
I'm
5 grand,
so
I
sure,
give Queenie
Glenn,
a
you
10
mind
dollars,
me.
Miguel.
Eh? How much you give me?
Never give
10.
5 grand yet.
All right, see, I'm not even remember, but I know you always have mind me. True, Glenn. So I appreciate you, you know, watch your face. I might know, after my single and separated, Mike didn't pay me any fucking mind. He's here typing. They know what I hear about no Glenn. Glenn them so don't know what I hear about, you know what I hear about RT.
You know what, you're born again.
What do I hear about RT, sir? When the next RT back to man,
So
God.
hold on. Whenever I finish watching, when the propose to you on stage.
Listen, we don't know what happened. I don't know. RT original. RT changing mind because me don't know. It never expect that reaction there.
Somebody said for Adam. Him not him there on the live now.
He's not here, fam. Anyway, I want to go watch the interview myself.
Alright, go on quick. We're gonna finish watching.
All right, love you, Glenn.
Say. So Amari kick RT for true Queenie or just fake something. Me not understand what going on.
If what?
Amari kick RT for true.
She kick him for true.
Okay. I'm gonna finish watching later, Queenie. Love you.
Love you too.
Alright, cool. Come on.
But try RT a friend. That's why she kick RT. You know, RT is just a fun-loving person. You not take it serious. I just sit down with my stop my breath. But stop my breath cast. I wonder if I meet it, I gonna get it next. She did. Yeah, really, she lick him for throat. But RT like it, don't mind RT turn on RT. That's why I'm a grandson. I'm girl, you know. I share girl, not me. Me don't know, me don't watch the interview, not for watch it. If him the born you out over here, I watch. Go man, leave my friend. It's funny, ain't it? And that him say, Queenie engaged to RT. No! RT laughed it off. Him not gonna do Amari nothing. Him know Amari still. Amari is an actor, you know, so she gonna with fair acting character. Me just Queenie. I don't have no time for blood clot. Amari, leave me alone. I am watching it now. And you know what? She give me such a good speech. So I'm not pay Amari no mind. It's when she come out of that when she come out of that mood for the camera, she she show me bare love. Me not threatened by Amari. Me don't scare Amari. Don't mind blood clot Amari. Amari love me so till she full. So she have to cuss me and talk about me for stay relevant and say my teeth are spirit and all of that. It's just her way. It's like how I run up and down and make nice and something. That I just her way. So she see me as a feeding tree. But Amari not do me now. Amari not do me a thing. You know, like Amari see me and not pay me now. What's that fake love she give it? What is better than no fucking love, baby? You understand? Don't people wear fake clothes and it's them go out and feel good? Life. Better get fake love more than no love. Because who know what love? No more kissing, no more kissing, no more Judas. And Judas, that's still enough. But me have the holy water, man. My saliva, holy water. Once you hold my two jaw them, watch out. With a witch finger nail them. Bumbo class before she drip me. I know some still like Amari, I like her. Not be Amari no mind. You see, me never like her. Mother be ignorant towards her. I don't know if that makes sense. Me not ignorant for her. I just see her as a character. You understand? In a real life, me and Amari could have sit down and talk and with a girl power too because she adore the girl power regardless if she behave like that. Amari is a fan. You understand? So, I'm not threatened by Amari because deep down Amari idolized me. And that's the God Almighty truth. I look so sexy. Thank you, Tommy. Yeah, she idolized me. But she have to buckle me. She have to challenge me. Love is a dangerous thing in our right crazes. And I have to remember that, you know. Love come in many things, you know. You understand? Yeah. So, Amari, as myself and things, so me Amari, I see me. She 54. Me 54. You know, we just class our dirty blood clear when she trouble me, but no meaning of the behind it. Wouldn't mash her hand on her head. So she said she wipe her my makeup. And she could say them do my makeup on stage. She don't do my makeup on stage. I glam by only do my face. But she take it offensive because I'm a face Amari. She have to remember, you know, I'm sensitive, I'm a face. So she now realize, remember my face dent, you know. So I'm conscious of my face. So she now realize, even though I say, mind my makeup, I not going to say mind my face. You understand me? I just use the makeup. So when I see she to turn it around and I say, Amari, you would even understand, baby. You understand? Yeah, my face, my sensitive on my face. I come, I sit down, and I look in the mirror and my face. Every minute, I say, bumper clot, every minute I feel a two little lump in eye. So I'm Nicki Minaj need to run from all this madness. Nicki Minaj don't need all this. Nicki Minaj and madness are blood clots. Oh, I'm telling you, so she chop on the Jamaican them. Every fucker we're going over here sweet Nicki. Go and leave where Nicki alone. Your bad man did bumper you. So what you she up there so she not to look when we don't say, you idiot. Leave the blood clot, girl. You want to feel like Nicki? Nicki love every moment blood clot we are going over here. So leave me and Nicki Minaj that she come talk to me. Me never buy no lot of ticket and she come on my page. Why? You know see my video was say, why? Go over there go watch the comment and see who comment on it. Nicki like me. Go there, Nicki, go there, Nicki. Send me Nicki, go to school, Mr. Solomon. Move your blood clot. DJ Fire Dean. Whoa, them a like me and Nicki. Nicki love the mix up on the Jamaica drama. Go ahead, Jamaicans are the best. What the fuck? When it comes to Baga Baga entertainment, I don't have no blood clot mortgage money. We are on a mortgage money. Move on a dirty blood clot and become a Jamaica crazy people them. And big up RT boss. Yeah, big up Nicki Minaj and the Bobs. Yeah. Nicki Minaj Rochelle represents Nicki, so may I continue to Nicki a drama, I said, and I saw Nicki rank like a chink. Well, a bad man and a bad man, my progress. I progress in I deal with this year, and I'm done telling our church song me I do by December, you know. Me now mind blood clotting, you know. Them are mad move on the blood. I mean, I think with them are mad over. I've never taken money, just mad out that. Queen in a deck, I mean, never take Jack. We're under construction there with the song. I just sang the whole about me EP, you know. It's on there. Every boy when me suck them, suck me back. Yeah, them two song there. And them all about me EP, but me still gotta do make that money. How you mean? Make that blood. You know, come tell me about the government. Them. The government, them in how much in bankruptcy. Move on a dirty blood clot down and the government bomb flicking on me left, right, and blood clot center. You know them politicians there in England? How much of them in that death so where them do? You can't tell blood clot me about government. You know, make government make me not live my life. You don't favor dog to blood clot. Government can't stop my emotion. We don't know brought down blood clot. And allow blood, I don't want to room too. Don't get up here and allow me and leave me alone. She a cuss over there. Ooh, Amari, may I go over there go look. Bye. I'm going to come and go over Amari. I don't want to go over there go full up her page and she feel good. Come. And tell her, I'll have to go over there go type and say, Queenie says she love you. Come. May I go over there go listen. Bye. I'm going to tell Amari say I love her. Don't pay Amari in a blood clot, man. Amari can't do me nothing. Trying to customer to stay relevant. You have to know these things. Amari, maybe not buy you a next 2-piece set. Just go dance naked. So the only option I have right now is me. Because by the artist blood clotting right now. My heart plus. Pilot, you know, go over there. Leave that eating woman. You know, I go over there. I choke her. Maybe I go over there go hear she say something and it let me start because I'm not go, I'm afraid. Where's the pilot? Don't go. All right, remember on a vote. No. Natalie. Tesha said no. Born Blessed no. She's boring. Yeah, I'm not go over there. She ended. I'm not go over there. I follow my right crazy them. Over Amari. She a cuss me know. I'm not go over there go giraffe. Anyway, I have things to go the right crazy. I'll not see me there. I have only for something I do, you know. So, you just pray for me and I'll do the same. Okay? Just know, sir, all who rate me and love me and care about me, and just pray for me. RT, I'm a new royal, King Royal. You man, I'm a question. You want me to be happy. Understand? True. Okay? Bye now. Queenie, you're so gorgeous. I lie. You know, like, me not hear that word there. Alright, let's send me some nice word now. Queenie, I said, what's it there? Go over there, go deal with that. No, sir. I don't want to do that this year. No, yeah, I'm telling them, you, my people, I don't want to go down by that road where I face it. But they're on different mission. Them some that drain energy to them. I'm like, love you, Queenie, just doing for link up. How name, sir? Hi, Deborah. Love you always, number one rifle. Queen Jamaica, crazy, never lazy. Yeah. Bullshit and okay. So brighty, hey, you know what's sweet, man? Can't you when me ride crazy? It's the way I'm natural, I don't know. It's what them so when you do wickedness, you have fear. You see, true, me not pray nobody no wickedness. All when you hear my cuss and so, me not afraid about nothing, you know. All me just say, God, please don't make nobody do me nothing. So, you see, in myself, me not pray them. So the pray when me not pray them, me just know them can't conquer me. Because when man a plan got a wipe out, so she come to me, from she not affect me physically. It's alright. Cause make my spirit, my anointed spirit conquer all of that naturally. You never know she hate from me naturally, but she can't stop me. Understand one queen in I there.